In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Microsoft Teams Essentials, perfect for beginners who want to get a solid grasp of the platform. We'll walk through the key features to help you get started on the right foot. First, open your browser and head over to Microsoft Teams by visiting the link for Teams. It's a good idea to bookmark this page for quick access in the future. Once you're in, one of the first things you'll notice is the chat feature. This is your go-to place for one-on-one or small group messaging. It's perfect for casual conversations or quick check-ins with your colleagues. You can share files, send emojis and GIFs to lighten up your chats, or even start an instant video or audio call with just a click. Next up, let's explore the Meet function. This is designed for direct voice and video calls without the need to schedule them in advance. It's super handy for spontaneous meetings. Plus, it includes voicemail and call history features so you can keep track of all your communications and never miss any important messages or calls. Moving on, you'll want to become familiar with the Communities or Teams section. This is where you can organize larger groups, such as departments or project teams. It's particularly useful as each team can have multiple channels, allowing for focused conversations on specific topics without clogging up the main chat space. Now, let's talk about the calendar feature. If you connect it with Outlook, it syncs beautifully, giving you a seamless experience across your different tools. From here, you can schedule meetings, ensuring everyone is on the same page regarding times and dates. For those impromptu discussions, you can simply hit the Meet Now button to initiate instant calls. Lastly, keep an eye on the Activity tab. Think of it as your team's inbox, providing you with a consolidated view of all your mentions, replies, and notifications. It's designed to help you stay organized and up to date with everything happening across your teams. By mastering these essentials, chat, meet, communities, calendar, and activity, you'll find navigating Microsoft Teams becomes second nature. Take your time to explore each feature and see how it fits into your workflow. Whether you're coordinating with coworkers or managing multiple projects, Microsoft Teams is a powerful ally in maintaining productivity and collaboration. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. And that wraps up our beginner's guide to Microsoft Teams Essentials. Thanks for watching, and I hope you feel more confident using Microsoft Teams in your daily routine.